Welcome. If you want to enjoy Instagram Reels in your preferred language, you're in the right place. Today I'll walk you through the updated steps to change the translation language for Reels on Instagram, making your feed more accessible and enjoyable no matter where you're from. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Next, head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you're on your profile page, look to the top right and tap the three horizontal lines. This is the menu button. From the menu that appears, scroll down and tap on Language and Translations. This is where you can control how Instagram handles different languages for your content. Under the section labeled Reels Translations, you'll see an option called Translate To. Tap on this option to continue. Now, you'll see a list of available languages. Browse through the list and choose the language you want Instagram to use when translating Reels. You can use the search bar at the top if you're having trouble finding your preferred language. Once you've selected your language, Instagram will automatically update your settings. From now on, whenever you watch a reel in a different language, Instagram will offer translations in the language you chose, making it easier to understand and enjoy content from creators all around the world. If you ever want to switch to another language, just repeat these steps. Instagram makes it quick and simple to personalize your experience, so you can always stay connected with the content you love, no matter the language. That's it. Now you know how to change the Reels translation language on Instagram. Enjoy exploring new content in your chosen language and make the most out of your Instagram experience. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next guide.